Hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to see what is INC 22. This form INC 22 is required to be filed for change of registered office or for intimation of the registered office of a company after incorporation. So come, let's see what are the documents required and how it is filed. So when we come here on the MCA website, so we come on the option company e-filing. Thereafter, we come here on the change services. When we come on the change services, we see here INC 22. Now let's click on INC 22 and see what information is required in this. So friends, when we see here INC 22, form INC 22, so here first we need to put the company CIN number, after which the company's name and registered address and email address will be intimated. We can even search the company name here. For example, we will search for any random company name. Like here we have searched, we have written the name of the company, so the details of which have came here. Now we proceed ahead and we see that what is the purpose of filing this form. So there are options: verification of the registered office post incorporation, change within local limits, change outside the local limits, change in ROC within the same state, change in the state within the jurisdiction of existing ROC, change in the state outside the jurisdiction of existing ROC. Means if it is change of city outside the local limit, within the same ROC, outside the same ROC, everything can be filed here. So let's do the first option of verification of the registered office post incorporation. So now let's see what other documents we need to file. Here we need to file that the registered office is situated with effect from which date. So we need to write a date. If the date is more than 30 days old, then we need to pay certain late fees. Then the new address we need to write, select the locality. So let's, in this company there is some issue, so we'll change the name of the company. So we have changed the name of the company so that we get better details. Now we'll write the date since when it is there. So see, 30 days. So we'll write a date which is older. Then we select the country. Country will select India, of course. Otherwise it will not accept it. Then we will write the pin code. The pin code which is of the area. This form we are filing randomly. So now we need to write the latitude and longitude. How you are going to find it is that you are going to search the place on Google and you are going to search for the latitude longitude. Now save the form. Next, when we come here next, now this is very important for you to see attachments which are required. Proof of the registered office. So if the registered office is on lease, rent, then we need to give the rent receipt, etc. Also we need to give the standard NOC in case of lease property. So if you are having the lease property, still you will have to give the NOC. Then second attachment is copy of utility bills, which should not be 2 months old, like electric bill, phone bill. Then photo. The third attachment is photo of the registered office showing external building. We need to show like this way, external building where if possible the director is standing, then it would be good, and the name of the building should be visible, and inside office also showing therein at least one director who has affixed this digital signature to his form. So inside office also we need to show where one director who has signed this form can be seen. Like this, the director can be seen sitting in the registered office. and if any other optional attachment is there. So like this way we need to file the form, enter the details of the director, DIN number, and then file it. So this is how form INC 22 is filed. If you want any help related to filing of this form, you can call us on the number given below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Do subscribe the channel.